See, good thing that we checked before publishing, because now we can go back here, find the problematic scene, which is this, and realize I forgot to put the shimmers in here.
Let's have a look inside. There is spacious bed, lot of hooks. We can put a lot of stuff in there.
Let's jump inside.
Let's get inside. You like portrait mode or landscape mode? We got you covered for both. It's actually pretty cool. Looks futuristic. Here we go, cameras. We can look around the car.
Wipers. So now we can actually go to settings, press publish. So now if you go back to SemiReal, you will actually be able to find it in here and you can try it out for yourself. So give it a go.